ಮೊದಲನೇ ಪದ್ಯಭಾಗವನ್ನ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಕಲಿತ್ರಿ. ಆ ಪದ್ಯಭಾಗದ ಸಾರಾಂಶ ಸಮ್ಮರಿ ಏನು, ಜೀವನ, ಈ ಜಗತ್ತು ನಂದು, ಈ ಜೀವನವನ್ನ, ಚೇತನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದೇವರು, ದ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟರ್, ಇವುಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಗೌರವಿಸಿದಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನ ಸುಖ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಪದ್ಯಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಆತ್ಮ ಉನ್ನತಿ ದಾರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕೂಡ ಸರಿಯಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಮಾಡುವ ಪ್ರತಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಕೂಡ ಶುದ್ಧವಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಮಾಣಿಕವಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಹಾನೆಸ್ಟಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಭಾವನೆ ತೋರುವಂತ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾನ್ಸ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ, ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾಶ್ವತವಾಗಿರಲ್ಲ, ಐ ವೋಂಟ್ ಬಿ ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಇರ್ತೀವೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಹ, ಮನಸ್ಸು ಮತ್ತೆ ಚೇತನ ಶುದ್ಧವಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ. ಎರಡನೇ ಪದ್ಯಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಬದುಕನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಅನುಭವಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. The second stanza, I'll read, please read along with me. First stanza you have to memorize, children. Write 3 times and learn. ತೃಣಕ್ಕೆ ಹಸಿರೆಲ್ಲಿಯೋದು, ಬೇರಿನದೆ, ಮಣ್ಣಿನದೆ, ದಿನಪನದೆ, ಚಂದ್ರನದೆ, ನೀರಿನದೆ, ನಿನದೆ, ತಣಿಬ ನಿನ್ನ ಕಣ್ಣಿನ ಪುಣ್ಯವೋ, ನೋಡು ಗುಣಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ ಒಂದೇ ಮಂಕುತಿಮ್ಮ. What is this in this stanza? ಬದುಕಿನ ಪ್ರತಿ ಸಂದರ್ಭ, ಈಚ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೀಲ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್, ತನ್ಮಯತೆಯಿಂದ ಅನುಭವಿಸಬೇಕು, ವಿತ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್, ವಿತ್ ದ ಡೀಪ್ involvement in the life. You should be involved very deeply in the life and you have to experience and feel the life ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಗ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತುವನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ, ದ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ and knowledgeable any things we'll see in the world, right? Whatever you see, we feel wonder how it be so beautiful, so systematic, right? So artistic. So we started hunting the reasons. Must be for this reason it is beautiful, must be because of this reason it is nice, good, but it is not possible all the time to find the reason for everything. So what we have to come to conclusion this, God, Paramatma, He has created for His happiness how He wants. He created in the world everything, right? So what we have to see, He is feeling happy with that what He is created. Okay? So in His creation only, human being means all won't be in the same way. You can see the color complexion, some will be beauty, some will be ugly, right? Different ways. See, if something you're going on the way, someone drive in a wrong way, accident happens. That is the reason, the person, right? Here is created a person in different way means it is not in our hand, it's not accident, isn't it or not? It's He created that one for His happiness, right? So what we have to do, that you have to see, get it as it has come and be happy. Don't hunt for the reasons, right? And don't feel that sometimes very beautiful, very great like they get. That time don't feel very pride about yourself, right? Both the concept is there. Don't go low down when it is not up to your mark. When it is very high, don't go very high and don't feel proud yourself. Got it what I am saying? So He created for His happiness in the world different ways, each creatures, right? So what we have to do, don't go behind for the hunting in the reasons, just take the life and enjoy it. That he says in the second stanza with one example. That is the example Truna. Truna means grass, green grass. You can see the picture. So if you see this picture, simply just like that, you see the color how it has come, right? You can take a color, one concept it has come in mind. You can think about the size, thin, fat, whatever comes in your mind can take. Here the poet has taken the color, right? Let us not go for the scientific reason here, okay? From where it has come the green? First question. Second, what is saying? Hasiru means what? Green. Truna means what? Grass. Truna, what is the equal meaning? Hullu. What it is? Hullu. The next reason is hunting. Because of the root, it has got the green color. So he is telling second, the green, why the grass is in green color. First he is saying must be because of the root anta, right? Beru means what? Root. The second is saying it must be because of the mud. Mud means mannu, okay? So second reason is given because of the mud it has come in the color green anta. Then Dinapanade. Dinapa means what? Surya. Surya equal meaning. Pencil you write down, please underline and write down. Surya, Bhaskara, Udaya, Dinapa. There are many more. If you know only this much, enough. Okay, these are called Samanarthaka Pada. Dinapanade, because of sun, maybe the grass got green color. The next comes here. The next is says Chandranade. Chandra, because of moon it has come green color for the grass is saying. Chandra, underline the word, equal meaning. Tingala, Shashi, okay, Chandra. This Chandra, Tatsama Tadbhava, Chandira. Hope you are writing, children. The next comes here. Neerinade. Because of water, maybe it got green color. The next comes here that he says Ninade. Because of you, it must come green color of the grass. So he gives so many, he's trying to, and the reason for the God has created that one. That's why before only I told, don't hunt for the reason why it is so beautiful, why it is so ugly, why it is very, why she is intelligent, why he is very dull, etc., etc. Don't hunt for that. I told you that is the thing. Here the next it comes that Tani Taniva Ninna Kandina Punyavo, because of you, the way you look at. Obviously, the way we look, the situation, the things looks like that. There is one says, beauty lies in the eyes, isn't it? So ನಾವು ಕಣ್ಣು ನೋಡುವ ದೃಷ್ಟಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕಣ್ಣು ಮಾಡಿರುವ ಪುಣ್ಯ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗುಡ್ ಡೀಡ್, ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಪುಣ್ಯ ಪಾಪ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಕಣ್ಣು ನೋಡುವ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಹಸಿರು ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಾ ಅಂತ, ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್ಸ್. ಈಗ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕಲರ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಹಸಿರಿಗೆ, ಅದು ಒಂದು ಗುಣ, ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ. ಗುಣಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ ಒಂದೇ. ದೇರ್ ವೋಂಟ್ ಬಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ. So that's why he has given many this thing. ಬೇರಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಾ, ಮಣ್ಣಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಾ, ಸೂರ್ಯ, ಚಂದ್ರ, ನೀರು, ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀನು ನೋಡೋ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಾ, ಅಥವಾ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಇಟ್ ಹಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಕಲರ್ ಅಂತ ಈ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ಗುಣಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ ಒಂದೇ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಾರಣಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಅಮೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಕಾರಣದಿಂದ ಹೋಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು, ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ಆನಂದಿಸೋದು ಕಲಿಬೇಕು. ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ಟು ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಬೈ ಸೀಯಿಂಗ್, ರೈಟ್? ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೀಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಗೋ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್